Hey Team 101, in this video we will be analyzing the market for gold and crude oil from 15 till 16 July. So let's begin. So currently we are on in gold on an 4 hourly chart time frame. Here we can see that the market for the gold is making an higher high move from here till here. However, the indicator is making a lower high move. Thus, we can see a divergence, and this is an irregular bearish divergence, which suggests that we can experience a short-term reversal in the market for the gold. Moreover, the fundamentals also suggest the same, as the vaccine for the COVID-19 have seen some positive news, due to which we can see a short-term reversal for the gold. Moreover, we can also see that the market for the gold is making a symmetrical pattern, some around like this. Here we have seen a fake breakout upwards. Thus, we are bearish for the gold for a shorter time frame for around 1 day, and we are expecting for the prices for the gold to refuel after testing this support. Thus, we will be looking to go long on the test towards this support. The reason for going long on the test towards the support is the fact that the market has been respecting this trend line, and another reason on the fundamental reason is that the US Sino tension escalate over the Washington sanctions imposed on China because of its recent crackdown on Hong Kong. The US dollar slump and the gold continue its higher high move. However, we can experience a short-term reversal, as the divergence suggests that the reason for us being bearish for the gold and in short term is first, this is the divergence, and second, the vaccine. The vaccine hasn't been made, however, the working on the vaccines has been showing some positive news. Going on in a smaller time frame on a 2 hourly chart, here we can see that the market for the gold is trading in a range bound territory. This is the above resistance, and this is the support, some around here. Thus, we are expecting a bearish move due to the fundamentals. After testing this, here we will go for a long position, some around here, some around 1797, with our stop losses just placed below the recent lows, some around 1788, with our take profit or our final take profit of this resistance zone. This trade will give a risk reward of approx 1:1.5. Now moving on the crude oil. Now coming on the crude oil and we are currently on a 2 hourly time frame. Here we have given a call to go long some around 39, with our stop losses just placed some around 38.19, and our first take profit is being hit, which is some around 40.98 cents and $40.98, and our final take profit was this higher high move, which was some around $41.57. Moreover, we can also draw a trend line, which would be some around like this. And moreover, we can see that the market for the crude oil is currently testing our resistance, some around here and some around here. Thus, if we see a above move or a higher high move from this resistance, thus we can expect a continuation of bullish momentum for the crude oil and testing towards the resistance. Thus, we will go for a short opportunity or a short position over testing this resistance, with our with our stop losses some around $42.40, with our first take profit would be some around would be some around this initial this resistance, which have been turned into a support after the breaking of the market above it, which would be some around $41.02, and our final take profit would be this support zone, which will be some around $40.12. However, we can also see a bearish move for the crude oil. It's due to the fact that in the previous we have seen that the market has been bouncing off this resistance zone. So around here we have seen a fake breakout. Here we have seen the market bounces down. Here we can again see that the market has bounced off the resistance. Here we are currently testing the resistance. Thus, if we see a break through this support trend line, thus we will go for a short position. Within short position at a break, we will go for a short position. If we see a break, then we will go take a short position on a pull back towards this support trend line, turning into a resistance with our stop losses just placed above the resistance, which would be some around $41.21, and our final take profit would be this support zone, which is some around 40.71 cents. This trade will give an extra reward of 1:1. If you do like the video, do like, share and comment below, and if you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.